Hi, friends and beautiful souls. How do you want to feel the holiday season and the new year? How do you want to feel inside? Do you want to feel free? Do you want to feel capable and confident? Do you want to feel vitally alive, but calm, collected, creative? How do you want to feel? So it's really up to you. Putting yourself in the right places, the right environment. Where's your nervous system? Are you in a calm, relaxed, parasympathetic state most of the time? Or are you in sympathetic drive, do, go, perform, be, fight? So, depending on where you spend most of your time, is how you're going to feel most of the time. If you want to feel calm and stable and grounded, then you have to put that into your life. So, check out my YouTube channel. I have plenty of techniques to help you bring your nervous system into a parasympathetic state. So the more you practice it, the better you get. Just like when you started writing. It didn't look like it looks now because you built the neural pathway. So you have to keep practicing how you want to feel. So take time out, meditate, walk in nature, read. What is it? Baths that serve you, that make you feel good. Take breaks throughout the day. Breathe, center yourself, feel connected to the internal state. Find who you are internally. And if you need help with that, we created a course called Making Friends with Forgiveness, the Art of Letting Go. And all the basic things you need to connect to yourself, to have a loving presence with yourself, to have a loving relationship with yourself and others, and how to let go is right there for you. So think about, with a good intention, how do I want to feel next year or even through the holidays? So please send this to somebody if you think they can hear it. And please know that you are the most valuable resource that you have. So tune your instrument and create the best life you can. Namaste.